Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a very special and very limited edition car to show you guys. So this is the box, right? And I received it like 2-3 days back, but I was not opening it. Okay, so today we'll open and see how the car is from inside, right? So yeah guys, this is the car. Uh, we have unboxed it from the packaging. Now just unbox it in front of you, right? There is a sleeve over it, very beautifully packed up, right? Just remove this carefully, and this is the box, right? You can see it's written Huayra Pagani here, right? And there are more details to it. So this comes from LCD Works, right? LCD models, and this was very exclusive to the China Toy Expo. Okay, and this is like official licensed product from Pagani also, right? So this is very exclusive, if you ask me, right? That's why I bought it. Very limited number of pieces, I don't know how much, but this was just for the China Toy Expo they have made it, right? I paid around 3,500 for this car. Okay, and let's see. I hope I just drop it. And a beautiful car inside, right? So it comes with this type of box. You have to open it from here, right? And then you can just take it out. See, there's a Pagani badge here, right? A small card, you can say, right? And it's written Pagani Auto Mobila Certificate of Conformity, and some Chinese marking over there. I'm not sure of this, right? What's written over here, but it seems like they have given some number and all, right? So you can see it's very exclusive to China Toy Expo only. We will see that. I'll just put in the editing if I get to know what it is, right? But yeah, this is a Huayra Roadster BC, if you see the name over here, right? And this is a beautiful car, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. I'm just admiring myself first. Just look at it. A very detailed car, actually. Okay. Very detailed car. And this is the box. This is the acrylic box you get. And here is our car. Right? How cool it is. Let's get into the details. Let me show you how detailed it is, right? And this acrylic box quality is very good, and you get a base plate of carbon fiber over here. So this is a very different thing I'm looking at. I'm just collecting Hot Wheels, Measure It, and other brands, right? BBR, you say, or Atomica, right? All other brands I've seen. So this is the first LCD model in my collection, and this is the China Toy Expo Limited Edition car, right? You can see over here also it's written uh, in the plate, Huayra Roadster BC. Very nice and very good. This plate, I mean, say, like, this is like plastic. There is a foam below, then there is a carbon plate over here, and I think you can just remove this foam so that you can take that car out. Not sure how to do it. Let me just see, right? But I think it can be, yeah, we can slide it through. Yeah, we can slide it through. We will see it later. So it is screwed, right? And look at this, guys. Look at the detailing over here, right? You will get a silver paint job with a green lining over it, right? And look at the tires, so true to it, right? Very true to scale. And the mirrors also have reflectors on it. If you see the mirrors over here, they have the reflectors. And then there is a carbon plating over here also. You can see the carbon fiber, the 20 livery, the stripes going through very well, right? And for front you get headlight details, right? Some plastic inserts, I think. Yeah, there is a lot of detailing on the headlights. Look at those mirrors, look at the aggressive way this is it, right? And 20 written over there. I was about to buy that Pagani Huayra, right? That was also in a pink livery, right? That was a very different sort of car, but that got out of stock. I got late little bit, so this is also good only, right? And see the tail lights and all, they are painted only, but there is also some detailing, very much detailing on that, right? Spoiler is also carbon fiber, and you can see some engine detailing over here, right? Now the best part is you can remove this, right, and see the driving seat and all. Just trying to slide it down instead of opening, right? Instead of cutting that, just want to slide it out. Yeah, just keep it here on this. Remove it. Yeah, now you can see better, right? Look at those. Look at the dashboard, the mirror over there, right? Little, I think it is tilted. You see the mirror there, little it is tilted. And the seats, I think it's not zooming in. Yeah. Look at the gearbox, the seats, painted very good, right? The interior is damn good. That's how you put it right back. I'll show you how you put it. It's just, you have to place it like this, right? You just place it like this, and that's all. It stays there. Okay, so look at that carbon fiber detailing, man. I'm just loving that. So this is our car, guys, right? And hope you liked it. We'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.